Right, then here we go. First thing I'd like to start with is Beza at the Lego store made me a minifigure. I don't know what she's trying to say. Maybe I'm a pirate. But this is really cool and I really appreciated it. So cool. Thank you, Beza. Okay, so he's going to sit over here maybe for now. Okay, as you may have noticed, I have a set ready. This is the Interstellar Spaceship, set 60430. Not my normal thing, but I do have all of them, the space sets. This is 240 pieces, age 6+, so I think I might actually manage to do this. There is a reason for doing this. I have another set that's coming next, and then another video after that, but you'll see that as it unfolds. But anyway, we start with this one. It says, engage the main thrusters, switch to light speed and journey to the far reaches of space aboard the hypersonic interstellar spaceship. Transform the drone bot into a powerful jetpack for daring spacewalks and planet exploration. Enjoy limitless intergalactic adventures with Lego City Space Crew. That's a mouthful. But anyway, yeah, it's got a few little play features on it, which is cool. They've been really hyping up their space sets. Here's a picture there on the edge of the box of the minifig. So I'm looking forward to building this. It should be a quick build, and then I'm going to do another quick build after that. 2 separate videos, but so it shouldn't take up too much time, we hope. It's got the thumb as per normal, so I'm going to undo the box and we'll start from there. Right then, okie dokie, so let's open this up. Get my kniffy, do my normal weird stuff. Okay, so far so good. Wow, I'm getting good at this. I bet I say that and this messes up. Yep, of course. Yeah, it's messed up. Whatever. Yeah. Hello. Lego, please stop doing this with these sets. This is a nightmare. Right. Ripped. Thank you for that. Damaged my box. Not a happy chappy. Right. Anyway, here we go. Wow, that's it. Look. Nothing else in the box. That's cool. Alrighty. So 2 bags. Couple of them extra bits, which this is okay, good, and the manual. I won't be using the manual because it has got the 3D build up on the screen, which is very, very nice. First one I've done in a long time has got 3D build, so that goes there. So yeah, we have 2 bags. That's it. Nice and simple. I like this. I need to do more of these. Alright, so I'm going to empty the bag. Oh, hold on a second. We got some parts left over from the last build, which needs to go into my, believe it or not, extras parts bag. Crazy. That's all the bits left over from the sets I've done so far. Right, so bag 2 down there, bag 1 open, empty into my tray. Open up the little bag, empty into the tray, done, finished, and we're going to start the speed build. Okay, so here we go. Right then, that's that set done. Didn't take too long. Little spinny table round. I really need to get this in white, but whatever. This is a little play feature on it, which I'll show you in a sec. This is just to show you what the set looks like in the minifig. I love the rocket pack that the minifig's got. Also, the thing I do like about this is the colourful bricks. It's such a nice change not to be building in grey, black and like just normal colours. It's cool, I liked it. 6-year-old and upwards, so I class 6-year-old and upwards, no problem. I'm a little bit older than 6, but hey, who cares? Right, so still a little bit closer look at each bit. Let's put that to one side. Okay, so minifig, very cool. Little backpack, rocket pack if you like, on the back, which is nice. The printing is so good on this. Don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the printing on the front is really cool. I'll do some photos. Very pleased with this. I didn't realise that this is what I was building, but she also, you can take the backpack off and then lift up the cockpit on the ship and stick them inside. Nice. So there you go. He's in, she's in. But interestingly enough, let's see if moving it back works. I've just ripped his head off. I'm discovering this for the first time myself, so this is live Discovery Channel. Let's see what happens if he goes back. Nope, still doesn't fit. How interesting is that? That's really weird. So does that mean you have to take his pack off or just the helmet? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No. What is going on? Why doesn't he fit? That's weird. Very strange. So I take it. No, still doesn't. Okay, so that's a bit of a fault. I think what you have to do is take his backpack off. Let's have a look. If he's then at the back, yeah, that's the only way. And even then, how strange. Okay, alright, well, okay, that's a fault. Not a fault, but not very good. So you got to take all his stuff off just to make him fit inside the cockpit. I bet he doesn't even go in with his helmet on, which is a bit daft because obviously being an astronaut, he really does need his helmet on. Okay, if you lay him right back like that, he fits. So you have to lay him, which is a bit sad, really. Yeah. Okay, whatever. I mean, it's not like I'm going to be playing with it anyway. Or maybe I will. Washability is awesome. Okay, the little extra feature on here is you got this canister up here, which has got like the power level of the batteries, whatever, and you press that down and that opens up the back, which is very cool. These also do go up because these will be your brakes, your air brakes, I suppose, and then you just have to fold it back up. So yeah, that's pretty good. I quite like that. Nice little play feature. Whoop. Sides down first, and then this pops up to show your battery level. Okay, so other than the minifig being a little bit of a pain, I'll just put this back on again. I would prefer to have an extra minifig in this set to basically have one pilot and the adventurer outside, but that's just me. Let's have a look, see, put his backpack back on. Okay, so backpack on. Does it go the other way? No, okay. The detail's pretty good. It's got a battery level indicator on the top. That's obviously supposed to be his thruster, the blue. It would have been cool, I suppose, if they had done like a little arm control, but hey, can't have everything. Overall, I really like the set, like the build, and this is one of the smaller sets, so you could stand on the wing. There you go, look at that. Awesomeness. So yeah, I quite liked it. Quick, simple build, good for kids to play around with. I mean, like I say, you know, the washability is really good. It's pretty strong. Not worry about it coming to pieces, and it has some nice little play features on it. So yeah, enjoyed that one. So I'm now going to do the next one, which will be the next day's video probably. Won't release them on the same day, but let me know what you think. Thumbs up if you could, share a like, comment. Need to get to my 2,000 subscribers if possible, and I'll see you in the next build. Thank you for watching. Bye. Gonna turn it off, stop the recording.